Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this quick guide, I will show you how to fix post error 0 in Escape from Tarkov.
Fix 1. Restart the game and launcher. Step 1. Close Escape from Tarkov completely. Step 2. Close the Battle State Games launcher. Step 3. Reopen the launcher and try launching the game again. Fix 2. Check your internet connection. Step 1. Make sure your PC is connected to the internet. Step 2. Restart your modem router. Step 3. Try switching from Wi-Fi to a wired connection for stability. Fix 3. Run the game as administrator. Step 1. Right. Click on the Escape from Tarkov shortcut. Step 2. Select Run as administrator. Step 3. Check if the post error 0 is resolved. Fix 4. Verify game files. Step 1. Open the Battle State Games launcher. Step 2. Go to your game library and select Escape from Tarkov. Step 3. Click Verify Files to repair missing or corrupted files. Fix 5. Disable antivirus or firewall temporarily. Step 1. Open your antivirus or firewall settings. Step 2. Temporarily disable it. Step 3. Launch the game and see if it works. Step 4. Enable antivirus firewall after testing.